Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do another unboxing. So Colourpop came out with this mystery bag right here. This only cost $25 and is set to have $55 worth of Colourpop products. And I can't wait to open mine, but I wanted to show you what I got in my bag. So if you wanna stick around to see what I got in my bag, just keep watching. This is what the bag looks like. It's like super cute, but let's just see. Oh, there's like a lot of stuff in there. So the first thing is the Super Shock highlighter, and this is in the shade Pinch Me. I'm gonna open it. I love this like holographic box, plastic box that they included with it. Ooh, this is a really pretty pink with like a hint of purple and like teal. You see how beautiful? Oh yes. Now we have this. Oh, this is the Colourpop BFF volumizing mascara, and I got mine in the shade Black on Black. This is the mascara they just came out with, and this is a really pretty packaging. So I'm gonna open it up, and this is the packaging. Look how cute that is. So let me see how the wand looks like. Ooh, this, wow, this band is literally just like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So if this mascara is that great, this is amazing because this is very affordable. I think this cost $8. I'm not positive, but I'm going to leave all the prices of each one of the products that I get down below, as well as the value of this bag compared to what we all paid. So the next thing I took out is this ultra blotted lip, and mine is in the shade Doozy. Wow, I'm not even focused. Okay, this is such a beautiful shade. Look at that. Wow, I love it. Wow. Next thing we have here, this is a ultra glossy lip, and this is in the shade Champagne Mommy. Yes. Oh my god. Do you see how pretty this is? I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it has like all these shimmers. It's like this silver flecks, and it looks amazing. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, I love this. So far, amazing. Alright, so now we have this lippy sticks, and this is in the shade Ziggy Matte X. Let's open it up. Ooh. This is beautiful also. Wow. I love these. Love. Alright. There's more. Yeah, that's a lot already. So this is a Super Shock shadow, and this is in the shade Sequin. Wow, this is so pretty. Oh my god. How beautiful is all of this? Oh my god, I love this so much. Now, this is a Luxe lipstick. And this is in the shade Lucky Strike Velvet Blur. Oh wow. How beautiful is this shade. I love this. I am loving every single thing I got in my bag. Everything is like so perfect. Okay, so I got another Super Shock shadow. This is in the shade Patty of 5. How are these so beautiful? Oh my god. Look at that. Wow. I am in love. 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 Oh my god. These are so pretty. All of these. And there's just one last thing. And this is a pressed powder shadow. This was in the shade Snake Ice. This is what it looks like. This is another beautiful, beautiful, beautiful shade. Oh my god. Oh my god. This bag is definitely so much better than my Beautylish Lucky bag. If you haven't watched that video, I posted it not too long ago, but I'm just gonna leave it in the description box below. I'm gonna leave the link or somewhere in the screen. It didn't go very well. I'm just gonna say that. That's it. This was a very, very nice bag. Oh my god, I feel like I should have ordered two because this is a ton of products that you get in here for only $25. I'm so happy I got one. Well, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that before you leave. I hope you're having all an amazing day or night wherever you are, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.